Imagine a world with no supermarkets, no farms, no restaurants. Food doesn't appear magically, you have to find it yourself. You look to the trees, the bushes, the rivers, and even the animals roaming nearby. Somewhere, long ago, the first humans discovered how to survive by hunting animals and gathering plants. But who were they, and how did they do it? Before agriculture, humans depended entirely on what nature provided. They ate fruits, nuts, and berries, roots and edible plants, wild animals, fish, and insects. This way of life is called hunting and gathering. It was dangerous, uncertain, and required incredible skill and knowledge of the environment. The first people to practice hunting and gathering were early humans, such as Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and later, Homo sapiens. These humans learned to track animals, identify edible plants, and use simple tools for hunting and processing food. Hunting required patience, strength, and intelligence, using spears, rocks, and traps to catch animals, working in groups to coordinate attacks on large prey, learning animal behavior to predict their movements. Hunting not only provided food, but also clothing, skins, and tools made of bones and sinew. Gathering was just as important as hunting. Early humans had to know which plants were edible and which were poisonous. They had to know when fruits and nuts were ripe, and how to store food safely for later. Gathering required careful observation of the natural world and generations of learning. Hunting and gathering shaped early human life in major ways. It provided nutrition and materials for survival. People worked in groups, sharing knowledge and resources, building a sense of community. Humans migrated to follow food sources, spreading across the planet. Stories, rituals, and skills were passed down through generations, forming the roots of culture. Without hunting and gathering, humans could never have adapted, survived, or evolved into the species we are today. The first humans to hunt and gather were masters of survival, learning from nature and each other. They taught humanity how to find food, use tools, and work together. Every meal we eat today traces its roots back to these early pioneers. Here on Past and Present Tales, we explore the stories that connect history to the modern world. Would you prefer hunting or gathering for survival? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through the past and present.